section wise CDS preparation tips for 2020. It's a crucial period for the aspirants of CDS scheduled to be conducted on February 2, 2020. Conducted by the Union Public Service Commission (UPSC). Candidates who qualify the exams are offered admission to the Indian Military Academy (IMA), Indian Naval Academy (INA), Air Force Academy (AFA), and Officers Training Academy (OTA). With just a few days left for the exam, candidates might have started panicking over how to crack the exams with a good rank. Fear not, here are a preparation strategy must follow to ace the exam. Now, first of all, we are going to see the first fact that you know the syllabus. To carry serious examinations need to go through the exam syllabus. This will give them an idea about the topics to be covered for the exam. While studying according to the CD syllabus, candidates should write down all the topics they are confident about and those where they lack knowledge. Try to focus on weaker areas and cope up with them as soon as possible to avoid last minute confusion. Now, second part comes the previous year's papers and mocks. Solving the previous year's CDS question papers plays an important role in an exam preparation. This helps candidates in gaining familiarity with the types of questions asked in the exam, distribution of questions, difficulty level, and marking scheme. Besides, it helps to assess the level of preparation for the exam. In doing so, candidates can focus on the weaker areas. Keep the fundamental clear. It is important to clear your basic concepts rather than cramming the formulas, since simple questions are asked in a tricky format. Be thorough with your concepts in order to understand and solve the questions. Now, next point, focus on important topics. During preparations, lay emphasis on important topics, carry maximum marks, and easier to score in. Now, attempt easier questions first. Candidates should go through all questions and try solving those questions first, which they find easy and require less time to score qualifying marks. Beware of tempting questions that you are not confident of, as there is a negative marking too. Unwind before the exam. When it's just one day left before serious, stop bothering much about it. Instead of just relax. Sit for the exam with a rejuvenated mind. Now we will see what is the syllabus, what are the subjects. Among the syllabus, one subject is English. To enhance the score in English paper, one must go through the rules of grammar, preparation, idioms, and phrases thoroughly. Second subject comes general knowledge. We can call it as GK. Identify the high weightage topics after analyzing the previous year's question papers. Revise important facts from those topics. Revise the current affairs of last 4 to 5 months properly. Third subject, elementary mathematics. Revise important formulas and their application methods for algebra, arithmetic, trigonometry, geometry, mensuration, and statistics. Do not start with new topics, rather revise those you have studied. Now, the announcement of the results of the UPSC CDSE 2009, we will take just a overview so that we can guess about the result and the exam scenario and all about the examinations of the 2020 UPSC CDS 2020 exams. So we'll take just only the just reference of the 2019 result of the UPSC. How does it is? the UPSC announced 2019 results, and the UPSC has published all according to the ranks. Means for IMA, how many has been selected, AFA, OTA, NA, all this, and with the score, final scores has been given here. So we can see the cutoffs of the CDC also. 2019 cutoffs, marks cutoffs, which will help us to improve ourselves, our knowledge, our preparation strategy, and exam cracking strategy, so that we will get 100% succeed in the CDSC 2020. Now, cutoff marks of the UPSC CDSC 2019, we'll just get overview about. CDSC 1 2019 courses: 140th course IMA January 2020, INA Jan 2020 207, PFTC AFA Jan 2020, 11th SSC course NT main non-technical, 25th SSC woman NT April 2020. Serious maximum marks: 300, IMA 300, AFA 300, INA 300, and OTA 200 marks. Now SSB maximum marks: IMA 300 marks, AFA 300 marks, INA 300 marks, OTA 200 marks. Total maximum marks for CDC plus SSB is IMA 600 marks, AFA 600 marks, INA 600 marks, and OTA 400 marks. Now CDSC 2019 toppers are here. CDSC first one candidate, Indian Military Academy selected topper candidate Pravesh Kumar, All India rank 1, whose marks are 327 out of 600. That means nearly about 51 to 52%, near about. Sumit Mal, All India rank 2nd, so it is exactly 49.9599, near about the percentage is to be shown. 219 out of 600. Agni Prabha Mukherjee, All India rank 3rd, 295 marks among 600 marks. Now Indian Naval Academy, it is slightly lower as compared to IMA. Hitesh Yadav, All India rank 1st, 284 marks out of 600. Prashant Tyagi, All India rank 2nd, 276 marks out of 600. Saad Ahmad Siddiqui, All India rank 3rd, 276 marks out of 600. Now Indian Air Force Academy, we can see Tejas Mohalla, All India rank 1st, 281 out of 600. Prashant Tyagi, All India rank 2, 276 out of 600. Kannada Wancho, All India rank Kannad Wancho, 264 out of 600. Officer Training Academy, Agni Prabha Mukherjee, All India rank 1st, 218 out of 400. Pravesh Kumar, All India rank 2nd, 218 out of 400. Sumit Mal, All India rank 3rd, 230 marks out of 400. Officer Training Academy Women, Jisha Chahar, All India rank 1st, that is 204 marks. It is for women, 204 marks out of 400. This is nearly about all the cutoff we are going to see. 50%, 49%, 0.99 means near about 51 on an average. The 50% cutoff is there of the 2019 exams, CDS examination. So forthcoming exams in the cutoff will be near about we can expect the hike of the percentage, average percentage 1 or 2%. Otherwise the situation might be the same, might be lower or might be upper, as nearly about as compared to the 50% 2019 cutoff. But why it is so? Because the exams level is a very tough examination. Not only the toughness of the written exam, but the oral exam also students have to go through. Thank you very much.